Hello crypto enthusiasts, and welcome back to another Paws Airdrop video. I just opened up my Paws boot right now to see what's going on, to see if there's any new update so I could quickly hop in. Lo and behold, I saw this, which is deleted accounts, and it was kind of surprising, right? Because the only thing I did was click on the pause boot and it led me right here, okay, which I clicked on verify yourself, and it took me to a verifier on Telegram. And before you know it, I just X'd out of that and came back here and saw this very notice right here which says that this bot has been deleted from Telegram. And I was kind of surprised. Now, before I even found this, right, it was really hard in this very airdrop section. It was really hard. I was kind of surprised, like, what's going on? Have these guys scammed us or something? But then it occurred to me that Paws is having this very tussle with Telegram, so they are kind of shifting away from Telegram. Now, what I did next was go over to their official social media handle, which I'm going to lead you to now so you can see for yourself what is going on. Okay, so stick with me as I review this to you. If this is your first time stopping by, then make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications for future updates. So we're going to head there right now. So the moment you open up Paws official Telegram handle right now, you're going to see this very update, right? So as you can see right here, this update was posted not long ago, today 4:58 p.m. and they said the farm season is over, right? Paws app is deactivated. Those were really our last tags. Like they said, I told you guys, right? I created a video for it and I told you that this is the final tags according to the Paws team. So now they just reiterated that this is their final tags, and they said that the Paws mini app is no longer available. All Paws points and achievements have been saved and are accessible on the web version. So it's time to move on to the next step. Now, the next thing they said right here is that we are grateful to Telegram for providing the infrastructure that enabled us to build. However, we now realize that the new guidelines have made it nearly impossible for us to continue developing our app here. So the Paws team has always championed the freedom of crypto, the freedom to choose which blockchain to build on, which wallet to use, and the freedom to grow and evolve. Now, the reason they dropped this last line is because Telegram has clearly stated, as a matter of fact, the founder of Telegram has clearly stated that every Telegram airdrop or any crypto creator that is going to be hosting on Telegram must build on the Ton chain, and the reason is they are now partnering with the Ton chain. Okay, I'm going to show you that very update right now. So I'm just going to head to the search bar and search for Pavel Durov. Okay, Pavel Durov is actually the founder of Telegram. So I'm just going to open up his channel right here and show you that very update. So you see right here, this update was posted on January 21st, and this is what it says. I read: we agreed with the Ton Foundation to make Ton the exclusive blockchain partner of Telegram. Ton will be our blockchain infrastructure for tokenization, payouts, mini app integrations, and more. This standardization will be great for Telegram users, giving them a consistent, predictable experience and better protection against scams, right? Many apps developers can check out the blockchain guidelines to see what's new. I foresee a wave of innovation coming from this strong integration between Telegram and Ton. So they are now partnering with Ton. Now, if you look at it from a broader perspective, you can say this is justifiable. Reason is, Telegram is an app that is kind of popular on its own, but people were not that much on Telegram compared to WhatsApp. Like, people were like creeping in little by little, okay? But the moment an airdrop launched, that very airdrop that brought Telegram to limelight, that made a lot of people hop into Telegram, that saw a massive influx of people hop into Telegram, is called Notcoin. Okay, luckily I was part of the people that benefited from that very airdrop. I shared it in my community, and a lot of people who were following me, following the updates I drop here, benefited from that very airdrop too. So Notcoin was one of the reasons that made people to hop into Telegram. Like, a massive influx of people got into Telegram because of Telegram airdrops, which Notcoin, a Telegram airdrop built on Ton chain, made possible. Okay, so this is one of the reasons Rove have decided to support the Ton chain, and by supporting, they have decided to partner together. That whichever project is going to be launching on Telegram right here is going to be launching on the Ton blockchain. Okay, so this is basically what you need to know. Now, what do you need to do to make sure that you secure your account? Because it's now obvious that this very project called Paws is moving away from Telegram. Like they said it right, they are moving away from Telegram and they're saying that they are grateful, right? So the app is deactivated. You can no longer access Paws on Telegram. That's because mining is over. So the big question right now remains, what do you do if you happen to encounter this very issue, right? What do you do? Where do we go from here? It's simple. For those of us who followed every single task, followed every update, there was an update I released on linking your Paws app, right? Saving it to your home screen, right? It's simple. If you save Paws to your home screen, which you can see right here, I did that. All you just have to do is to click on that and you will return to their site, okay, to the Paws website. Okay, now the URL to Paws website is paws.community. This is it at the top. Okay, you can forget about the source whatever at the back. Okay, just type paws.community in your browser search bar and you would arrive at this very site. Okay, please note that Paws must have an S. There must be an S right here and not just paw.community. The paw.community is a scammy site. That was why the Paws team recommended we saved their site on our home screen, okay, which I did. Okay, but if you didn't, then make sure you type in paws.community in your search bar so you don't fall for scams. And once you type that in and hit the search bar, this should lead you to this very page right now. Now, once it does, all you have to do is to click on verify yourself. Okay, now it's going to ask you which method are you verifying with. I'm going to click on Telegram. You want to click on Telegram so that you verify your Telegram account. Now it's going to ask you to launch this very bot, which is called Verifier, and all you just have to do is to allow Verifier to send you a message. Make sure this is ticked, don't untick it, make sure it is ticked, and then you go ahead and click on this very start button right here. Okay, and this is going to load up right now and says account is verified. You can now continue to website, and what would happen is that you would now be accessing the Paws website to view your balance through any of your browsers. So I'm going to be picking Chrome for the purpose of this lesson, and this is going to redirect us to Chrome and review our account balance. Remember, they said that this very balance you have here has now been recorded in their system, so you have nothing to worry about. Okay, so this is the latest update I decided to bring to your notice today. I hope that a lot of us are able to follow these steps and secure our account, because it's very important to secure account. A lot of people don't really know, but there's a lot of things you can look up right here, which is one, the claim, and the second, the pre-market. Pre-market is not really important. Well, if you want to know whether or not you qualified for this airdrop, you just have to click on the claim right here. Now the moment you click on claim, it's going to show you the eligibility criteria, which is to verify yourself on the Paws site, which I believe if you haven't done before and you connect your Telegram right now, this is going to be checked. Now, you must have completed 30 quests. Okay, that is one of the eligibility criteria. If you have saved yourself from Gridge, good luck to you. This is for people that follows update. The activity check is also checked. I created a video for that. I'm going to leave it in the description of this very video. And then we have the voting badge, the Exploton, and your Paws balance. You see, I'm not hiding anything with you. I am showing you everything. For the Exploton, I was able to get about 110 tons. I spent about 1 ton. I don't want to spend much because I spent a lot on these Telegram airdrops, and most of them turned out to be something that wasn't profitable. So if you click on next right now, okay, this will show you the final stuff right here, which will determine whether or not you are eligible. So right here you can see, congratulations, you're eligible for the Paws Airdrop. The token claim hasn't started yet. Stay tuned for more news on our channel. We will soon announce update regarding our listing. So whenever you want to access the Paws balance right now, this is where you do it, right? I'm going to go back to home. This is where you get to see, I'm going to go back to dashboard rather. This is where you get to see your account balance and the W Paws you have acquired. Regarding mining has ended, boat has been deactivated. This is basically what you need to know. So with this, we've come to the end of this very video. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like and share so that those who need this very information will also benefit from what I shared in this video. When you like and share, you help create more exposure for the video. If this is your first time stopping by, hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn the notification bell on to all. By so doing, you won't miss out on any update I drop regarding this Paws airdrop. Until I come here next time, I remain your crypto guy Daniel. Stay safe.